Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to check for the system updates on this watch. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the homepage of the application. Now, find the profile icon and tap on it. Then select the Amazfit GTS 3 from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down, find the option called System Update. And your phone will check for the updates available. And if you have any updates available, you will have this update button right here. As you can see, we have one. We can tap on Update to start the update. Before you start updating though, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the updating process, it might damage your watch. Mine was about 80, I believe, so it was fine. And as you can see, the watch is being updated. Okay, this took a while, but as you can see, we're back in the system. We can scroll down, tap on the check mark, and we can use our watch now. And in the app, we can tap on OK. You can also tap on System Update again to check if there's any more updates, but as you can see, we don't have any. And then you can close the app. And that's how you check for the system updates on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.